Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make everything in Infinite Craft game. So first of all guys, you have to start with earth and then wind to make dust. Now just combine earth with dust to make planet. Now once we have planet, combine two planet to make star. Now we have star, just combine two star to make galaxy. Now combine star with galaxy to make universe. Now once we have universe, guys, now we have to make first of all we have to use dust and fire to make ash. Now combine ash with water to make puddle. Now combine dust and water separately to make mud. Now combine mud with a puddle to make pig, and combine pig with fire to make bacon. Once we have bacon, just combine both universe and bacon to make everything. So this is how you can make everything. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.